Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if there is more out there than we can see? What if our universe is just one of many? Welcome to our exploration of the multiverse. Here, we will be exploring one of the most fascinating and mind-boggling ideas in modern physics, the multiverse. The multiverse is the idea that there may be multiple universes beyond our own, each with its own unique properties, laws of physics, and even versions of ourselves. In this video, we will dive into the concept of the multiverse, the scientific theories that support it, and the potential implications for our understanding of the universe. To understand the multiverse, we must first understand the concept of the universe itself. Our universe is everything that exists. All matter, energy, space, and time. But what if there were other universes, each with its own set of laws of physics and its own version of reality? The multiverse is a hypothetical concept in physics and philosophy that suggests the existence of many parallel universes or alternate realities, each with its own set of physical laws and properties. The idea of a multiverse arises from some interpretations of quantum mechanics, which suggest that the behavior of subatomic particles is inherently probabilistic, and that every possible outcome of a quantum event may be realized in a separate universe. The multiverse theory proposes that our universe is just one of an infinite number of universes that exist in a vast and complex multiverse. The idea of the multiverse is supported by several scientific theories. One of the most prominent is the inflationary theory of the universe. This theory suggests that the universe underwent a period of rapid expansion shortly after the Big Bang, and that this expansion may have given rise to multiple universes. Another theory is string theory, which suggests that there may be many possible configurations of particles and forces, each corresponding to a different universe. There are several different versions of the multiverse concept, including the many-worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics, which suggests that every quantum event results in the creation of multiple parallel universes in which each possible outcome is realized. Another version of the multiverse concept is the idea of a bubble multiverse, in which our universe is just one of many bubbles floating in a larger, four-dimensional bulk space. There are several different types of multiverse theories. One is the level 1 multiverse, which suggests that there may be multiple universes that are fundamentally the same as our own. Another is the level 2 multiverse, which proposes that there are other universes with different physical constants and laws of physics. The level 3 multiverse suggests that there may be an infinite number of universes that arise from every possible outcome of quantum mechanical events. Finally, the level 4 multiverse suggests that there may be an infinite number of universes that exist beyond the limits of our own physical universe. The multiverse theory has significant implications for our understanding of the universe. It raises questions about the nature of reality, the origin of the universe, and the possibility of other forms of life beyond our own. It also has implications for the anthropic principle, which suggests that the properties of our universe are uniquely suited for the existence of life. The multiverse challenges our traditional notions of reality and raises questions about the nature of existence itself. If there are other universes, what does that mean for the concept of free will? Are our choices predetermined by the laws of physics, or do we have agency over our lives? The multiverse theory is a complex and difficult concept to study, but scientists are actively exploring ways to test and validate the theory. One approach is to search for evidence of other universes through their effects on the cosmic microwave background radiation, the afterglow of the Big Bang. Another approach is to study the properties of our own universe and search for evidence of fine-tuning, which could suggest the existence of a multiverse. We are studying the large-scale structure of the universe, looking for patterns that could indicate the existence of other universes. By analyzing the distribution of galaxies, we hope to find evidence of cosmic collisions, which could be a sign that our universe has interacted with another universe in the past. While the multiverse may seem like a far-fetched idea, it has important implications for our understanding of the universe and our place in it. If there are other universes out there, what does that mean for our own existence? Are there other versions of ourselves, living out different realities in different universes? The concept of the multiverse is a fascinating and mind-boggling idea that challenges our understanding of the universe. While the theory is still in its early stages, the potential implications of the multiverse are far-reaching and could fundamentally change our understanding of the universe and our place in it. As scientists continue to explore this concept, we may one day uncover the secrets of the multiverse and unlock the mysteries of our universe. Thanks for joining us on this episode of Explorexia. We hope you enjoyed exploring the unknown with us. If you did, be sure to subscribe to our channel for new